As a college student, I should learn about the impact of human activities on environment because this knowledge promote environment protection, enhance problem-solving skills, fosters sustainable practice, improve decision making, and ensure to turn well-being. What are the reasons why our environment is being destroyed? Number 1. Pollution. Air, water, and land pollution cause significant damage to your ecosystem. Examples include smokes from vehicles and factories waste disposal in rivers and seas, and the use of chemicals in agriculture. Number 2. Deforestation. Cutting down trees for manufacturing goods, expanding farms, and mining leads to the loss of animals and plants, habitats, and reduce that soil's ability to absorb water. Number 3. Climate change. The rise in global temperature due to the greenhouse effect cause sea levels rise, extreme storm, and droughts. This affects crops, animals, and peoples. Number 4. Lack of awareness and concern. The lack of awareness and concern of people for the environmental leads to the neglect of environmental laws and the performance of activities that damage nature. How can we prevent the destruction of our environment? Number 1. Iwasan natin ang pagtatapon ng basura kung saan-saan. Itapon natin ito sa tama nitong lalagyan. Number 2. Iwasan natin ang pagsusunog dahil ito ay nagiging sanhi ng air pollution. Iwasan din natin ang pagputol ng puno upang maiwasan natin ang pagguho ng lupa at pagbaha. Magtanim tayo ng halaman, mag-recycle ng mga basura at marami pang iba. For college students like me, let's cultivate a habit of valuing our environment so that its positive effect will benefit us. That's all. Thank you.